Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Today's video is for teachers, trainers and tutors. In this video, we are going to discuss about 12 job openings for teachers, trainers and tutors from different backgrounds. And at the end of the video, we will discuss 2 bonus job openings for teachers. So let's jump into the video and discuss about the different jobs for today. Our first job is for English teachers. The job role is of English teacher and the company is Planet Spark. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Eligibility criteria for becoming the English teacher at Planet Spark is excellent verbal and written communication, willing to work 6 days a week, should be available on Saturdays and Sundays, willing to invest 3 to 4 teaching hours every day, at least 1 year of English teaching experience, should have good Wi-Fi and a laptop with webcam. Benefits are flexible working hours, work from home, exposure to teaching international students. Shifts you can opt for. There are multiple shifts available. You can opt for any shift which you are comfortable for. If you are eligible for this job role and interested to apply, click on this apply button. Then this Google form will open. Fill this Google form. There are some basic details here you have to fill. After filling this Google form, submit it. Second job is for mathematics teacher. The role is of mathematics teacher and the company is Let's Unbound. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Skills and qualifications required for this job role are teaching degree or in a degree in a specialized subject with a certification in education, BSc, MSc, BTech or MTech. Thorough knowledge of best practices and legal guidelines and willingness to adhere to the school's procedures and policies. Excellent organization and communication skills, can pass a background check, creative, positive and energetic disposition, proficiency in CPR, additional information, a laptop desktop with a broadband connection, 20 plus Mbps upload and download is a must. Available for at least 15 plus hours every week, immediate joining. Here they have not mentioned any experience, so freshers are eligible to apply for this job role. If you are eligible for this position, you can apply by clicking on this apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Third job role is of IELTS Trainer and the company is Anglo-Words. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Eligibility criteria for this job role is good communication skills, problem solving, empathetic, good command of English and Malayalam and has scored high bands in IELTS. We do not require prior experience. Previous experience taking tuitions, TEFL or any other role where you have demonstrated these skills is considered a plus point. You will get competitive salary in line with entry-level position, classes for up to 6 hours per day, greater accountability. Being an early stage startup, you will get a steeper learning curve and a faster career progression, a thriving and entrepreneurial work environment. If you are eligible for this job role and interested to apply, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fourth job opening is for IELTS trainer role. Company is Meridian Overseas Education Consultants. Job location is Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. Here are the key requirements. Excellent command of spoken and written English. Should have the IELTS system well and its exams. Good presentation and teaching skills. An ability to communicate effectively with students and other candidates of all age groups and social backgrounds. Work from home is not available. At least 1 to 2 years of experience in IELTS teaching is recommended. If you are interested and eligible for this job, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Fifth job opening is of online physics tutor. Company is Fine Tutors and the job location is remote, that is work from home. Requirements for this job role are: we do not require previous experience in the position of teacher or trainer. Have a background in calculus, algebra or other science subjects. We need a tutor who can help our students achieve their goals. Benefits or advantages: flexibility of timetable, possibility of teleworking, remote work. You will be able to set the price of your classes. Offer details: flexible timetable, remuneration between €20 and €40 per hour. If you are interested and eligible for this job role, you click on this apply button. After that, this page will open and here fill this form, fill the email, first name, last name, upload your CV and click on this apply now button and submit the application. Sixth job opening is for physics teacher role and it is from Motion Academy, Agra. Job location is Agra, UP, India. They are looking for physics faculty JEE Main and advanced level. If you are interested in this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our seventh job opening. It is for the job role of Japanese teacher part-time. Company is Connectorex. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Here are the requirements and the eligibility criteria. Teaching Japanese as a foreign language to the local community. Delivering lessons using the direct method to create an immersive classroom environment where the teacher and students can use the Japanese language to communicate naturally. Promoting cultural change, handling participation in lesson planning as well as other tasks required of a school environment. Other details: permanent work from home, flexible timing, salary 3K to 8K. For part-time, it's a great opportunity. If you are interested in this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Number 8. 8th job opening is for the German teacher online role, and it's from the company Unadli Classes and Consultancy. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Requirements for this role are fluent in German and English languages, minimum of 2 years of experience teaching German language to adults, bachelor's degree in German or a related field is preferred, strong communication and interpersonal skills, ability to create engaging lesson plans and educational materials, excellent computer skills and familiarity with online teaching platforms, availability to work between 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. Benefits are flexible work schedule, work from home, weekly pay on every Sunday. If you are interested and eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our 9th job opening. Job role is of German teacher and the company is Langoik. Job location is remote, that is work from home. We are looking for an enthusiastic and self-motivated German language trainer for the online classes. If you could handle a group of 10 students in a batch and can teach up to B2 level online, then please mail us your CV at info.langoik@gmail.com. One can expect to get nearly 3 batches in a month. At Langoik, we strongly believe in a teamwork. Thus, if you would be stuck in any of the given tasks, you have our experts supporting you and encouraging you. If this interests, you mail us your CV at this email ID. If you are interested and eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And second thing, as they have mentioned, send your resume at this email ID. If you will apply with both the methods, there are high chances for selection. Our 10th job is from the company ACS Networks and Technologies Private Limited, and the job role is of AWS Technical Trainer and location is remote, that is work from home. Requirements and skills are: must have AWS Certified Solution Architect Association certification and knowledge of Python. Proven experience as a technical trainer, should have good knowledge about AWS, basic knowledge of networking, Linux, database and Python. Ability to address training needs with complete courses, good communication skills and comfortable speaking in crowds, excellent organizational and time management skills, degree in a relevant technical field. You will get 5 days work from home opportunity. Salary will be up to 4 to 5 LPA based on skills and technical interview. If you are interested and eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. 11th job is from the company Wingy and the job role is online full stack Python developer tutor, US shift. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Eligibility criteria is BTech, BE, BSc, BCA or equivalent. Availability in night shift 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Strong communication skills, prior online teaching experience is a must. You will get salary INR 600 per hour and choose your own timings. If you are eligible and interested, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. So here comes our last job opening for today. It's from the company Turito Inc. Job role is of Robotics Tutor. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Key skills required for this job role are basic logical thinking and programming skills, background of electronics, robotics, STEM subject, excellent communication skills with proficiency in English, excellent written and verbal communication, proficiency with basic computer software such as Word and Excel, good classroom management skills, excellent presentation skills. If you are interested and eligible for this job role, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And also share your resume to this email IDs soumyam@turito.com. Apply via both the methods, then there are high chances that you will get reward from the company. Now let's talk about our bonus jobs for today. So first bonus is from the company Pinnacle UHR. Here the job role is of voice and accent trainer and the job location is remote, that is work from home. Requirements for this job role are bachelor's degree in English, linguistics or a related field. It is a 5-day working week and those 2 days away from work should mostly be on weekends. Proven experience as an American English language coach or similar role. Excellent knowledge of American English grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Strong coaching and communication skills. Ability to develop and deliver effective training programs. Familiarity with language training tools and techniques. Excellent organizational and time management skills. Ability to work independently and as a part of a team. Flexibility to work outside of regular business hours. Timings 24/7 rotational shift, 5-day work week, mostly work from home, but sometimes you might have to travel in busy season. You are eligible for this job role. Click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Here comes our second bonus job. It is from the company Find Tutors and job role is of online geography tutor. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Requirements for this role are, we do not require previous experience in the position of teacher trainer. Flexibility of timetable, possibility of teleworking, remote work, you will be able to set the price of your classes. Interested and eligible for this job role? Click on this apply button, fill the application form here, fill the basic details, email, first name, last name, upload your CV. Click on this apply now button and submit this application. So that's it for today. You can find the link in the description for all the job openings. All the best. If you're looking for the particular job role, you can leave a comment in the comment section and we will come up with the same job role or the company. If you want a job in a particular company, we will come with the same. Leave a comment in the comment section with your educational qualifications and your preferred job role. If video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.